Well, got another addition to the trailer project today. We actually have our ACM. I have two types of ACM here, and that's aluminum composite material. Essentially, it's a very thin skim of aluminum, polycarbonate center, and another skim of aluminum on the other side. This bottom stuff here is 5 by 10, and this is aluminum on both sides. It's matte white on one side and gloss white on the other. I have 3 sheets of this, one for the base and one for each side of the camper. And these sheets here are 4 by 8 sheets, and I got 6 of these. And these have aluminum matte on one side. This is going to be for the roof as well as for, let's say, the soffit and the short riser on the camper. Got this from EM Plastic here locally. It's probably the most expensive purchase for the build besides the trailer. And I've also got some silver board down here. I'll dig into that now and show you what that is. Now this ACM, it's actually I think it's 3 millimeters thick, and it will add a whole lot of structure to the camper build. I got 3 pieces of trim. I've got that joiner there. I have this inside or outside corner, not quite sure what that is, and I got this piece as well. I'm just going to see what I need of these when I'm building the camper, and I'll go out and I'll get the rest of the corner pieces when I need them. And as I mentioned, this is the silver board. It's a continuous rigid insulation, and I have enough here to do the floor. I'll pick up the rest for the walls as well. I have some 1 inch and some 1/2 inch here that I picked up at a big box store here locally, so I can at least start the floor and then start building the walls. So that's it, another part to the camper project. We got our sheathing and our insulation for the floor, and a couple of test extrusions to see what will work. Thanks for watching.